Hi guys, in this video I am going to create 25,000 teams by using this software. In this video I am not only going to create those teams but also going to show you the results of these 25,000 teams. I will also show you whether I got the dream team combination or not. So all these things is only possible by using this software only, because though we are not only going to create those 25,000 teams but also we are going to store those teams in our device so that we can check the results as well. So this video is going to be very interesting one, so make sure to watch this video completely. And हमको हिंदी थोड़ा आता है, बेसिकली हम साउथ इंडिया में आया, so I hope you guys understand English. So if you don't understand, just watch this video, you will definitely understand. So first of all, this is the software that I'm going to use to create these 25,000 teams. This software works perfectly fine on your mobile as well as in the laptop. I will provide the contact details in the description box below. Those interested, check them out. And I will also, so first of all, let's click on cricket here. As I told to you that I am going to create 25,000 teams. So we need to click on generate teams. So I am going to create these 25,000 teams for one of the recent IPL match, and I will show you the results as well. So continue. We need to choose the fantasy, which is Dream 11, and continue. And we need to choose the series, which is IPL, and continue. And there are a lot of options available, but for creating 25,000 teams we are going to use smart generation section. So first of all, let's click on smart generation section, and we need to choose the teams. So the match is in between RCB versus Kings 11 Punjab, Punjab Kings, which is a recent one. So after that, continue. And we need to give the match number. You can give any match number because there will be no problem. You can give any match number. Match number is only for the storing the team's purpose. So I'm going to give 1 as the match number, and after that, continue. So we need to select at least 6 players from each team. So I'm going to select all the 22 players, all the playing 11 from both the sides I want to select in this video for creating 25,000 teams. So AB de Villiers, Striker Bharat, Virat Kohli, Devdutt Padikkal, Glenn Maxwell, and Shahzad Ahmed, and Daniel Christian, Harshal Patel, Mohammad Siraj, and Yuzvendra Chahal, and G. Gordon from the RCB side, and from the Kings 11 Punjab side, KL Rahul, Nicholas Puran, Mayank Agrawal, Aiden Markram, Sarfraz Khan and Shahrukh Khan, and Moses Enriquez, Bishnoi, Mohammad Shami, and Arshdeep Singh, and H. Brar. So these are the 22 players from both the teams. I have selected all the 22 players for creating 25,000 teams. So let's click on continue. And I'm going to select balanced, and I'm going to select the strongest team is RCB or Punjab Kings. Both are equal, so I'm going to select equal. And toss is completed or not, so let's click on no. And so we need to click on continue. So you can see, enter the number of teams you want to generate. You can generate up to 1 to 25,000 teams. So as I told you that I'm going to create 25,000 teams. So let's click on 25,000. 25,000. So these are the 25,000 teams I'm going to create by using this software. So let's generate teams. So it is going to take little more time because we are creating 25,000 teams. So it is going to take little more time. You can see it is going to take 20 to 30 seconds for creating all these 25,000 teams. So you can see the teams are generated and successfully stored at match number 1. You can see, so all these teams are successfully created. I will show you the last team as well. The 25,000 teams now. So I'm going to show the 25,000 team also. So let's click on shortcut print. So these are the teams that are generated. These are very huge number. 25,000 is very huge. So let's click on shortcut print. So to see the teams in shortcut mode. So it is also going to take little more time, 10 to 20 seconds for converting the shortcut teams. So you can see the shortcut teams are printed here. The teams are converted into shortcut form. So I will show you the 25,000th team to verify that the 25,000 teams are created. So I'm going to show you the last team. So let's move down, and let me show you the last 25,000th team. So I'm going to zoom in right now. So you can see the 25,000th team is also there. That means software is created 25,000 teams and stored as well. So let's quickly go to the let's quickly go and check the results of whatever the teams that we have generated right now. So let's check the results as well. So let me quickly go to the results section. So let's go to the home. So after going to the home, we are going to check the results. So to check the results, we need to go for the match result option in our software. So first click on cricket and the match result and the IPL, and what is the match number that we have given, which is 1. So after that continue. So you can see the 25,000 teams are available here, and match number is 1. So we need to check the results. We need to update the player points. So we need to click on update here. So we need to update the player points. So I have already taken the player points from Dream11. So let's quickly enter those player points. So let me quickly enter those player points here. So you can see I have updated all the player points from the Dream11 points. So let's click on update here. So the player points updated successfully. So let's check the results of these 25,000 teams. This is the time that we are waiting for. So let's click on match result and IPL, and we need to give the match number, which is 1. So you can see the see result option is available right now. So let's click on see results. And you can see we got some good points here. I think the first team we got is 885.5. So this is the maximum points we got. So let's check the dream team as well. So by checking, let's go to the dream team of this match. So this is the dream team of this match. You can see the dream team. So this is the dream team, and we got for the dream team also 885.5. So let's check the side by side. So KL Rahul is there, and Mayank and Virat Kohli is there, and Devdutt Padikkal is also there, and it is Sarfaraz Khan here, but it is Aiden Markram. So both of them got same points. I mean, both of them have got 30 points, so there will be no issue, and all this is exactly the same. So you can see we got the dream team. So you can see the first team we got is dream team. We were able to, software is able to create the dream team combination. So it is not like you have to create 25,000 teams to create the dream team combination. Many of my users have got dream team combination sometime, even with lower teams, for example 100 teams, 50 teams also. Some of them have got some good ranks. So it is not like you have to create 25,000. I just making this video to entertain, and let's check to check whether software is able to create the dream team combination. So here you can see the result is we are getting the dream team combination, and also the second team is 881.5, which is also a good team. So which is also almost a dream team combination. So but this is the thing we are waiting for. We can see 885.5 and 885.5. You can see. So we are able to get the dream team combination by using 25,000 teams, and this is if anybody is having any interest about this software, those you can contact me. I will provide the contact details in the description box below. If you like this video, please like this video. If I get some good number of likes, for example 100 plus likes, I will definitely make another video by creating 10,000 teams or 5,000 teams. I will also show you the results of 10,000 teams also if I get good response for this video. And the results of these 25,000 teams is we got the dream team. So we got the dream team quite easily. So it's not like we need to create 25,000 teams. Many of my users did this with lot of less teams by using advanced generation section, but we have used smart generation section in which software will take care of everything. Advanced generation section is also very powerful. By using that, you can create some good combinations even with very less teams. So I hope you guys like this video, and software is able to create 25,000 teams and also able to store these 25,000 teams. No team creating software will have this feature of checking the results and storing the teams. This is the only software that is having that capacity. I have given this capacity to check your prediction and to check your strategies. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video. If you don't like this video, that's no problem, you can dislike this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard, stay in fight.